Hello, everyone. Thank you for watching our product. We are Eastline. We are Shenzhen Eastline Communication Technology Limited. We are a telephone factory. This is our very common coded telephones with caller ID. You can find this one. This is the handset. This is the coil cord, and this tail line. For our normal products, the length of tail line is 1.5 meters. Also here, we have two RJ11 ports. You can find this one. This is line exit. These two ports have the same purpose. You can put the tail line in the line port. This is normal. Or you can put it here. This port is also okay. If you have another telephone, coded telephone, you can use a tail line to connect another device. This can be very workable and useful in your office. Here you can see is the buttons. This phone is a black one. Let's check everyone. Here's the handset. This is a tail line paper. You can write your telephone number here. And this is for wall mountable. You can turn that direction and put it in. You can put here. You can find this one here. Put it here. Then it is fixed. It won't fall down. But for most conditions, most users, they don't use this wall mountable because this phone is big. They only need the desktop here. This is the buttons. We have the hands-free with speaker. Can hear. This is the value. It's a ringer value. Yes, check here. This is the hold, like this one. During conversation, if you don't like to talk, don't like the other party don't know what you are talking, you want to have a break or talk with someone in your own side, you can put here and put here. Then the other side, they can hear a sound, but they cannot hear your voice. Yes. You can find this is the seat. You can find lots of here. You can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The menu has 6. You can find 1 here. 1. You can change the year, month, date. Yes, here. You can put it seat here. Okay, let's get out. Yeah, this is 2021 year. Is now. And we have a use manual to show you how to use different operation in this seat buttons. Oh, sorry, let's check. This one is high. Okay. This phone is very popular in many countries like Philippines, South Asian, South American, like Italy, Brazil, and Mexico. We sell large quantity to these countries. Also, for many countries, other countries, we also sell them. Our monthly capacity will be 300,000 pieces of this model. If you have large quantity, or you will need large orders, we can customize the appearance. You need a function to change all you need thing. Here you can find here the back. The back here, this is the wall mountable. You put 2 screws here in the wall, and you put it here like this one. The plastic shell is very strong. Yeah, you can hear. It won't move easily. Yes, it's okay. Here. Oh, it's not bad, but you can. This the length of this coil cord is very short. If you want to make a new longer coil cord, it won't move this telephone easily. Even these buttons will increase the fabrication. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, we will send more video lessons for you. We are the telephone manufacturer in China. Thank you. See you next time.